Welcome to this tutorial on how to use your Calfresh EBT card. Calfresh is a program that helps low-income individuals and families purchase food and provides economic benefits to communities. First, you need to understand what an EBT card is. EBT stands for Electronic Benefits Transfer, which is a card that looks and works like a debit card. It allows you to access your Calfresh benefits to purchase food at participating stores. To use your Calfresh EBT card, you will need to know your personal identification number or PIN. This is a 4-digit number that you will use to authorize your purchases. Make sure to keep your PIN secure and do not share it with anyone. When you are ready to make a purchase, let the cashier know that you will be using your EBT card. They will then ask you to swipe your card and enter your PIN. The cashier will then enter the amount of the purchase and you will be asked to confirm the amount. You can use your Calfresh EBT card at most grocery stores and supermarkets, as well as at some farmers markets. You can also use your card to purchase seeds and plants that produce food. It is important to keep track of your balance and make sure you have enough benefits to make a purchase. You can check your balance by calling the phone number on the back of your card or by looking online. Some best practices to keep in mind when using your Calfresh EBT card include always keeping your card and PIN secure, making sure to check your balance regularly, and only using your card for eligible food purchases. Remember, your Calfresh EBT card is a valuable resource that can help you and your family access healthy and nutritious food. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your benefits and get the food you need.